Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix lags and slow performance issues on Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. Follow along, and by the end of the video, your PC will be running smoother and faster. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more helpful videos. Right-click the Windows icon and choose Settings from the menu. Go to Privacy and Security on the left side. Under Windows Permissions and App Permissions, turn off all the unnecessary options to boost performance. Next, click on General and disable these 4 settings. Let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. Let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Show me suggested content in the Settings app. Disabling these options will help your computer run faster and more efficiently. Go back and click on Speech, then turn off Online Speech Recognition. Go back again, select Inking and Typing Personalization, and turn it off as well. Next, click on Diagnostics and Feedback, and disable Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Go back and click on Activity History, then turn it off. Return to the previous menu and select Search Permissions. Set Safe Search to Moderate. Don't turn it off as it's a security feature. Under Cloud Content Search, disable all options and turn off the Search History option too. Now, scroll down to App Permissions. If you're not using location services, camera, or microphone, click on each and turn them off. Also, disable voice activation, notifications, and account info if you don't use them. If you don't use the default email client, turn that off too. Additionally, disable task messaging, radios, other devices, and automatic file downloads if you don't need them. Turning off these unnecessary features will help improve your system's performance and speed. Next up, click on Apps from the left menu. Go to Installed Applications and look through the list. Uninstall any apps you don't need, especially Microsoft OneDrive and Copilot if you're not using them. Just click the 3 dots next to the app and choose Uninstall. Repeat this process for any other unnecessary applications to free up space and boost performance. Next, go back and click on Startup. Windows 11 can take longer to start up if there are too many apps launching at boot. Look for third-party apps you don't need at startup, like Microsoft Teams, Microsoft OneDrive, Steam, and similar apps. Turn off any unnecessary startup apps to speed up your PC's boot time. Disabling unnecessary startup apps will make your computer start up faster and run more efficiently. From the left menu, click on Personalization. Scroll down and select Colors. Find the Transparency Effects option and turn it off. This will disable the translucent look, but won't affect performance, just the animation. Lastly, click on the Windows search icon and type Advanced System Settings, then click Open. Make sure the Advanced tab is selected, and click on Settings under the Performance section. By default, the first option is selected. Change it to Adjust for best performance. After that, enable these 2 options. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Smooth edges of screen fonts. Click Apply, and then OK, to save the changes. Once you've applied all the solutions, restart your computer. You'll notice a significant improvement, and the lagging and slow performance issues on Windows 11 will be resolved. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.